Watch as Trooper Shoemate of the Arkansas State Police engages in a high-speed pursuit through the streets of Little Rock, Arkansas, after attempting to stop a black Chevy SUV. The chase escalates as speeds exceed 100 miles per hour, and multiple pit maneuvers and TVI tactics are employed to halt the fleeing vehicle. Experience the dramatic police chase that unfolded in Greenfield, Wisconsin, on August 12, 2018, as captured by law enforcement cameras. Witness the intense pursuit that led to the injury of a Greenfield police officer after a squad car rolled over.
Rollover squad, on movement. Send the fire department right away.
Go ahead.
Alright, rollover squad, on movement. Send the fire department right away.
Watch the gripping footage of a high-speed pursuit involving a Mercedes as South Carolina Highway Patrol races to apprehend the suspect. The pursuit reaches a dramatic climax as the Mercedes crashes, bringing the dangerous chase to a halt.
That'd have been a good time to pee it right there, but he got in front of it.
Marion County advised 1057. Florence County EMS Fire 1017, 2110, you're 1013.
Join the chase as Trooper First Class Dakota Davis responds to a call from Lone Oak PD about a black Jeep evading capture. Watch as the pursuit unfolds, with speeds reaching 60 miles per hour along State Highway 31, culminating in a dramatic confrontation at the Exxon gas station.
Back on 31.
Union Sim, Adam King,
back on 31. Speed. About to get back on 40.
Would be stuck in the ditch. There's an overpass on 31.
Stuck in this underpass on 31.
Show me your hand! I will shoot you! Show me your hand!
See that car crashed out? Probably still mobile.
Show me your...
See if I can get crashed out. Got stuck in the ditch on the underpass on Highway 31.